Okay, students. In the yesterday class, we discussed the solution, how to find the solution for the given pair of linear equations by the graphical method. Okay, this is the solution for these pair of equations by the graphical method. So, already we know the thing. To find the solution for the pair of linear equations by the method of graphical and algebraic method. This is the way to find the solution for the graphical method. Now we are discussing how to find the solution to the given pair of linear equations in the algebraic method. Algebraic method. Okay. So now coming to the algebraic method. So in the algebraic method, to find the solution to the given pair of equations in the three methods. One is the substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. So already we know these two methods in our previous classes, but we don't know the specific name of those substitution method, the elimination method in our 9th and 8th classes. Already we done these type of problems, but we don't know what are the equations we can solve in the time. Okay, so the algebraic method, substitution method. In that algebraic method, we are using the some more three methods. Those are to be substitution, elimination, and cross multiplication. Okay, so coming to the substitution method. Okay, so how can we use the substitution method to find the solution to the given pair of equations? Now we are discussing about that by some examples. Okay, so the first example to that, solve the pair of linear equations by the substitution method. We can solve the pair of equations. Solve means find the solution, find the values of x and y, find the variable values in that pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Now the question, 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, x plus 2y is equal to 3. That's the first question. And the second question, x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, simply first of all we are discussing here. So these are to be two equations. Okay, so here we have the variables x and y, here also we have the variables x and y. Okay, we can observe any one equation first. Okay, either first equation or second equation, whatever it is. Okay, so the second equation we can observe here, except the x, all the values are to be transposed to that side. Okay, so then what are the balance values here? 2y should transpose to that side to be changed as a 3 minus 2y. There is a value of x. In the LHS we have the value of x only. So the x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Now the value of x is equal to 3 minus 2y. That result, the x result is substituted in the place of the first equation. Okay, in the place of the first equation, what we got x here? 3 minus 2y. That is substitute. Then automatically it is a substitution method. We are substituting the values. Okay, 3 minus 2y. Then now we can observe the thing, 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. There is no variable x in the situation. There is no variable in the x situation. Why? Because the x is also to be changed as a y variable by changing as the 3 minus 2y. Okay, now we can simplify it in our earlier classes, algebraic method, algebraic equations like that. Okay, then automatically we are getting the value of y. Okay, so by simplifying that equation we are getting the value of y. That y value is substituted either this equation or this equation, or we change that na. So x is equal to 3 minus 2y in that equation, either this or that. What is it? X is equal to 3 minus 2y. Then automatically we are getting the one more variable x. Okay, then that is the way to simplify those type of problems. Okay, coming to the solution to that. So given pair of equations 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. So it is also to be linear pair general form. Just to change it as that, 7x minus 15y minus 2 is equal to 0. We got it, the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. No need to change it as this. Okay, so the first time just we can change as that, it is also to be in the form of the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, minus 2 is equal to 0. It is the first equation. Coming to the second equation, x plus 2y is equal to 3. Then x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Both are to be in the form of the pair of linear equations. Okay, so what is it? One of the two equation to be changed as x is equal to, or y is equal to, either x is equal to or y is equal, except the x value, all the values are to be transposed to that side. Otherwise, except the y value, all the values are to be changed to that side. Okay, clear? So which equation we can take first? Whatever it is, either first or second. In this example, just I took first equation first. Okay, the first equation is to be 7x minus 15y is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. So which value to be changed as the total equation to be changed as x here. So except x, all the values are to be transposed to that side. 7x is equal to minus 15y minus 2. Change as that, plus 15y plus 2. Okay. Then x is equal to 15y plus 2 by 7. Why? Because it is a multiple. Change as that. So division. Okay. Now it is a third equation. It is a third equation. What is it? Is the value of x. The total equation to be changed as that in x. Okay. So this that x value to be substitute in the place of either first equation or second equation. Okay, so sorry, that x value to be substitute in the place of the second equation only. Why? Because first of all, we took the first equation and changed it as that x is equal to something. So then automatically that result is to be substituted in the second equation. If we are substituting that in the first equation, we did not get any result in the situation. Okay, so if we are taking the second equation and change as that x is equal to something, that result to be substituted in the first equation. Okay, are you understand, children? Okay, so I took the first equation to be changed as that x is equal to 15y plus 2 by 7. So this result is to be substituted in the second equation. Okay, then the x value substitute in the second equation. So what is the second equation here? X plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the x value here? The place of x, 15y plus 2 by 7 plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can observe here, is there any variable x? No x variable here. Then automatically it is to be, we can find the value of y by simplifying the equation. Okay, so now 15y plus 2 by 7 is equal to the values what to have here. Those are to be transposed to that side. Plus 2y change as minus 2y, minus 3 change as a plus 3. Okay, so minus 2y plus 3. Coming to this, 15y plus 2 into, by 7 should be transposed to that side into 7 into minus 2y plus 3. 7 into minus 2y is minus 14y. 7 into 3 is plus 21. Why? Because plus into plus, plus into minus, minus. Now 15y plus 2 as it is. 15y plus 2. So constants are to be transposed to one side and variables should be transposed into one side. So 15y variable here. Then minus 14y should transpose to this side, plus 14y. Plus 2 transpose to that side, minus 2. 21 minus 2 as it is 21. 21 minus 2 is 19. 15 plus 14 is 29y. Y is equal to 19 by 29. Okay, 19 by 29. Then y is equal to 19 by 29 is substitute in second equation. Okay, that y result is to be substitute either first equation or second equation or third equation, whatever it is, no problem. Okay, that should be substituted not only in the first equation. Okay, either second equation or third equation, whatever it is. Just I substitute here in the second equation. The second equation is to be x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 2 into y value is 19 by 29 minus 3 is equal to 0. 19 2s are 38 by 29 minus 3 is equal to 0. These constants are to be transposed to that side, change their signs. Minus 3 change as a plus 3. Plus 38 by 29 change as a minus 38 by 29. By simplifying that, we are getting the result is to be 49 by 29. Already we know that how can you simplify those. Okay, so by taking the LCM to that, then x is equal to 49 by 29. Therefore, the solution x is equal to 49 by 29, comma y is equal to 19 by 29. Okay, then these are the solutions for the equation. Okay, clear na? Coming to the second example in that, second question in that, given pair of equations x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. These are to be two equations. Okay, so here also you can take any one of the two equations to be changed as either x or y. Okay, so here I took the first equation same as it is. The first equation x plus y is equal to 14, y is equal to, now I change this, y is equal to something, but in the previous problem x is equal to something. Okay, here just I change the total expression into the y. Y is equal to 14 plus x is to be changed as that minus x. Okay, this is the y value. What is the y value here? 14 minus x. So here I took the first equation, we got the result y is equal to something, then automatically that y result is to be substituted in the second equation, don't to be substituted in the first equation. Okay, why? Because already I took the first equation. That result is to be substituted in the second equation. Okay, clear? So if we took the second equation, if I took the second equation, then the result is to be substituted in the first equation. Okay, so now y is equal to 14 minus x is to be substituted in the second equation. So what is the second equation here? X minus y is equal to 4. X minus y means 14 minus x, that is equal to 4. So open the brackets here. X minus into 14 minus 14 minus into minus plus x, that is equal to 4. X plus x is equal to 2x. Minus 14 should transpose to that side. 4 plus 14. 4 plus 14 is 18. 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 9 ja, x is equal to 9. This x result is to be substitute either first equation or second equation or this equation. Okay, so this is the one more equation, that is to be a third equation. Okay, no need to mention it, no problem at all. Okay, so 1 2 3, any one of the three equation should be substitute. X is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9 substitute in the first equation. What's the first equation here? X plus y is equal to 14. 9 plus y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14 minus 9. Then y is equal to 5. And it is the solution for that. X is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. X is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Okay, so this is the way to find the solutions for the given pair of equations by the substitution method. Substitution method is one of the methods in that algebraic method. Okay, so now we'll do one more problem with the different example in that substitution method. Not to be different method, different example only. Okay, so solve the equations by the substitution method. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2 is the first equation. X plus 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Okay, 13 by 6. So here the equations of x and y's are to be in the fractional form. Better to change as a integer form. Better to change as a integer form. So okay, so here 3 by 2 x coefficient, y coefficient minus y by 3, here x coefficient 1 by 3, y coefficient 1 by 2. Those are to be in the fractional form, means in the rational form, to be changed as a integers. Better it is to be simplify the problem, just enough. Okay, so given 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So then find the LCM for these two fractionals. Okay, 6 is the LCM. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9x minus 3 is 3 2s are 6. The 2 is multiplied with 5. 5 2s are 10y. Then that is equal to minus 2. 6 is transposed to that side. 2 into minus 2 into 6 is minus 12. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Now it is the first equation. Okay, given equations are to be changed as a the xy coefficients are to be changed as the integers like this. This is the way to change as integers. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Y can change as integers to simplify it very easily, just enough. Okay, so then x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 minus 13 by 6. Now the LCM for these fractions is equal to 6. Then it is a 2x, it is a 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6. Both the LCMs, both the denominators are to be 6 in those LHS and RHS, then those are to be simplified. Then 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. It is the second equation. It is the second equation. Okay, directly I can I'll do the second equation here. Okay, so 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y, x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. This is the third equation. This is the x result. So from where we got the result of x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 from the second equation. Then this result is not to be substituted in the second equation. This result is to be substituted in the first equation. Okay, so now the x value substitute in the first equation. Now the first equation is to be 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 9 into 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 9 is a product here. Multiply each and every term here. So I have some confusion by multiplying in that, so I strike off it and I do the problem here only. So next 13 9s are 117, 9 3s are 27 is a minor mistakes. Okay, so I done the problem. 9 3s are 9 only, so I solve it. Okay, somewhere I got confusion, then again come back here. 9 3s are 27. Be careful whenever you are solving the problems. Okay, each and every term should be multiplied, it's a product. Okay, so 9 3s are 117, 9 3s are 27y by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so then by finding the LCM here, it is to be 2. 117 minus 27y 10 2s are 20y is equal to minus 12. 2 transpose to that side. Minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. 117 minus 47y, negative 27, negative 20. Then 27, 20 is 47y. Then 20, 12 2s are 24. Transpose to that constant values. Minus 24 plus 24, minus 47 plus 47. 117 plus 24 is 141 by 47. By simplifying that, y is equal to 3. That y is equal to 3 is substitute either first equation, second equation, or third equation. Okay. So now y is equal to 3 is substituted in the second equation. What is the second equation here? 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. 2x plus 3 into 3 is equal to 13. 3 3s are 9. 9 to be transposed to that side, minus 9. Result is 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. X is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay. So, are you understand the students? How can we solve the pair of linear equations by the method of substitution? Okay, so in the next class we discussed about that elimination method. Okay.